Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from Live in Saint 7. Here, we would like to talk about COVID-19 and how does a COVID-19 mRNA vaccine work. Coronavirus disease, or COVID-19, is an infection disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. Coronaviruses are a name for the crown-like spikes on their surface, called spike proteins. These spike proteins are ideally target for infection.
COVID vaccines are now available. Some of the COVID-19 vaccines are mRNA vaccine. But what does this mean? mRNA vaccines are different from traditional vaccine. mRNA vaccine don't expose you to any real virus instead. They're made with messenger mononucleic acid or mRNA. This is a type of molecule that gives instruction to the cell for how to make different kinds of proteins. mRNA molecules are a natural part of our cell and how our body works. Researchers have been working with mRNA vaccine for many years.
They are made more easily and safely in a lab than a vaccine that uses a virus. Because of this, they can also be made faster. The COVID-19 mRNA vaccines have passed many tests in labs and in thousands of people, and meet strict standards from FDA, Food Drug Administration.
So, how do these vaccines work? First, a COVID-19 mRNA vaccine is injected into muscle in your upper arm. So muscle cells take the mRNA instructions in the vaccine and make a harmless piece of a protein, called a spike protein. This protein is bound on the outside of the SARS-CoV-2 virus that causes COVID-19. The muscle cells then destroy the instructions for how to make the spike protein. The mRNA never goes into the nucleus of your cells, where your DNA is stored. The newly made spike protein now sits on the surface of the muscle cell.
Your immune system senses the spike protein as a foreign threat to destroy. It starts making antibodies to fight anything with that spike protein on it. This will help your body's immune system recognize and fight the real virus if it ever shows up. Your body is then prepared to spot COVID-19 and fight it before it grows in your body's cells.
Fast fact to remember about COVID-19 mRNA vaccine. They help get your body ready to fight off the COVID-19 virus before it make you sick. They don't use any live, dead, or weak virus that causes COVID-19, so they cannot give you COVID-19. They don't affect or interact with your DNA in any way. That's all from us. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.